There is only 4 ways to get rich, kid. 4, that's it. 1, inherit it. That ain't happening for you. 2, you steal it. You do not have, my friend, the patience, the power, or quite honestly, the intellect to steal anything of substance and keep it so. 3, work really, really fucking hard. Okay. You'll learn. You fail. Learn more, fail more. And don't let anyone outwork you. Never.
What's option 4?
Learn how to suck a dick like you lost your car keys in it.
Is that how you got rich?